Hi, my name is Brad Traversy, and I'd like to ask for a couple minutes of your time to tell you a little bit about a React Native course that we'll be releasing from Eduonix. So before we go into details of the course, let's first look at what React Native is and what all the hype is about. React Native is the next generation of React, and it enables you to build world-class application experiences on native platforms. It's built on the React.js JavaScript library, which is an extremely powerful library for building user interfaces. It's also very easy to learn if you don't know it already. We can build Android and iOS mobile apps without needing to know Java code or Objective-C programming. We can manage multiple versions of the application with just one JavaScript code base. So why would you want to learn React Native? What's the upside? Well, for one, you'll be able to create performant iOS and Android mobile apps. You won't have to learn Java or Objective-C or any other high-level programming language. This makes it much easier because JavaScript is something that you probably already know, and if you don't, it's really easy to learn. It's faster, there's less code, it's interpreted rather than compiled, and it's cheaper as React Native is open source and web developers are much more affordable than high-level programmers. If you're a web developer and you learn how to build mobile apps, you're going to drastically expand your business and your client base. So let's look at some of what's included in this course. So we'll go over all the main React concepts such as components, properties, state, events, and so on. We'll set up React Native in a Windows environment along with Android Studio, the Android SDK, and the Virtual Device Manager. So we'll work in Windows for the most part, but I'll also show you how to set up React Native to develop iOS apps. We'll work on visual components such as headers, buttons, images, styling, and the Flexbox standard for positioning. We'll work on touch events and event handling, list views, scroll views, working with inputs along with the navigator. We'll also look at the native APIs for interacting with the device, and we'll be able to use some of its features and capabilities such as the camera, geolocation, and so on. Alright, so you can expect all of this and much more from this course. So in addition to React Native training videos, we'll create a couple projects as well. These projects are subject to change, but we'll be looking at building a contact manager app using Firebase, a music app using the Spotify API, a photo upload app, and many other mini projects using various features of React Native. Alright, so that's what we have in store for this course. Hopefully you'll join us in learning all of the fundamentals of React Native and more. Thanks for watching.